I had to touch it 95. Oh, it was beyond touchy, I believe. It really was just shockingly crazy. I mean, it was everywhere. I still can't believe I did not actually.
No, my problem is the EDF is very short.
Yeah.
You just start to enjoy it and then, okay, you gotta laugh.
See, on the second time, because it was a little more stable, it was like 35. I slowed it down a little.
Well, sucker's bright.
Oh, yeah, too bright. I can't look at it.
Sometimes I can't get the boost slowed down, so I always try to land at 233. So if I miss it, I have to
That's a cool little plane, right?
Oh, yeah, I love the thing.
Well, I always go almost.
Just hard to tell with all the other planes up now.
I wanted it fast, but it came out as fast as I wanted it.
She was the only one. You were under the deck. You just did wing over
That second time, I got way off.
Wow.
Yeah, you go 100, it just absolutely goes very fast.
Yeah.
And I mean, I didn't see how far it goes, but
Oh, shoot, my rubber band's gone. Yes, I found that out on that 80.
Ah, hard to see other planes.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
well, that's good. I mean, as long as it's in one piece, who cares? And as long as everybody else is in one piece, who cares? Believe it or not, I basically am shaking.
Oh, is that the one off Greenville?
That thing goes that fast.
South side. Yeah. On the way to Pop.
That's
Wow.
stay with me.
You know what would look cool, Ray?
What?
Doing the LED kind of the shape of a bat, like
Mhm.
Batman,
Mhm.
and then mix the LEDs around there, look like that.
I just used strips on this. I didn't get too fancy.
Yeah. Well, it has good lighting.
Yeah. I have it on a switch too, so I turn it on and off.
3 minutes. On. Yeah. Badass.
Yeah, it's fun to fly. I mean, I think I learned a lot on my 85 pusher.
Yeah. When you guys are going in there, what's around golf? Ray, I think this is a bad idea that I'm flying.
It's a little late now. You're in the air.
No.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Retracts.
Get the retracts in. Yeah, okay. That'll be a gorgeous thing.
It is.
Whoa, thermal. Weird. No, there's a thermal. It's a thermal just went through.
That's quite something. That's funny.
You'll feel it. It gets warm. And then the wind blows. Right. I think you're still doing pretty good considering.
Why did you start cheering, and why do you like it more than all the others? She just don't take that out of the duck. I don't buy it. I don't That's funny.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, it's getting kind of sketchy. The wind is just totally knocking everything off. It's all you. I'll come in after you. Man, that light's bright. Right. Yeah, I can see it now.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Well, I'm going to have to go on to Hobby Pig and look it up because I say I like that.
Man, gotta turn it off. I can't see.
I'm gonna go taxi out there. Just to prove myself I can.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm going for the next one.
There you go. Oh, what do they call it? Do over.
Did you eat a lot of carrots when you were a kid or something?
I don't know, but it's just I enjoy it. It's fun.
I enjoyed the thought of it. And then I'm like,
Yeah, no, this one's easy to see.